are back with a video about the sound experience of an standard 350 Royal Enfield. So first let's start it. Switch on the key, get it in neutral, and this is the ignition switch. By switching this at this side, first I will give you the experience of the idle sound and then I will rev it. Now I will be revving the motorcycle. So it has a very thumpy and grotty sound and you will like it. It of course has the old dug dug sound in it, which is the signature sound of the Bullet. So I hope you like the video and subscribe.